Hi, this is Joe the farmer with Bountiful Harvest with Joe and Kisa. Today I'm going to start the next garden bed. I've decided to, let me get over here on this side, guys. But I've decided to make this area right here a garden bed. So I just started breaking the ground on it. I'm going to finish breaking the ground, so you're going to get to see me work a little bit again. But this is what it takes, guys, if you want to take some of your yard. Because I've got a pretty big yard back here, and we don't have any kids, so there's nobody back here playing, no dogs or anything. So we decided we were going to start this garden. It started off as a hobby, and now it's a passion. So what I want to do is help you to become better gardeners and grow better quality food, because the cost of food is so high, and it's just ridiculous. And the quality is not as good as it should be. So I'm going to quit talking. All I'm doing is stalling on this work right here, so you get to see me work again, guys. So this is going to be a little long because, well, I got quite a bit of ground to break up here. I might have to take a break. All right. Now, I could do a little bit more, but brother's getting kind of tired. So we're going to go get the tiller and try to break this ground up a little bit more. So hold on just a second. Let me get my tiller. Whew. All right, guys. And see, when you get to this scale, you gotta have some machines. You can't do it stuff like they did 100 years ago. It'll break you down. Well, that's just the first part. I'm gonna have to go over this a couple more times to even it all out, because that was some pretty hilly ground right there. And so that's going to be the second flower bed, and we're just going to continue to show you the process if you want to follow this route. So remember, grow some food, guys, and remember this: you need to eat well and live strong. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you can see whenever we upload new videos. This is Joe the farmer with Bountiful Harvest with JL and Kisa. Or no, it's Joe and Kisa.